Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today is Wednesday, March 24th, 2021. It's time for our English section named Quotation. Here is it. Silence isn't empty, it's full of answers. Silence isn't empty, it's full of answers. Explanation? You have all heard that speech is silver, silence a gold. In other words, silence can become an essential key of our life, allowing us to avoid many hindrances or to achieve certain purposes. The silence is not only deafening, but can also be expressive. Many people may think of silence as an empty, but has its meaning in certain life situations. Thank you very much.